Tired of boring kitchen routines? These 17 Amazon Kitchen gadgets are designed to save you time, boost efficiency, and transform the way you cook. From smart appliances to space-saving tools, you won't want to miss these game-changing finds. Stay till the end and let us know your favorite. Links to all the products are in the description. Make sure to subscribe for more. Electric Milk Frother. Make barista quality coffee at home with this electric milk frother. It steams and froths milk to create rich foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolates. With multiple settings, it ensures perfect texture every time. The non-stick interior makes cleaning effortless, and its compact size fits any kitchen. Skip the cafe and make your morning smoother. Get yours now. KitchenAid Meat Tenderizer. Say goodbye to tough, chewy meat with this multi-sided tenderizer. The textured side breaks down muscle fibers, while the flat side pounds meat evenly for better cooking. Ideal for steak, chicken, and even pork, this tool enhances flavor absorption. The ergonomic handle offers a strong grip for controlled use. Upgrade your kitchen and enjoy perfectly tender meals. Get yours today. Anti-fatigue kitchen. Mat standing for long hours while cooking can be exhausting. This cushioned, non-slip kitchen mat provides maximum comfort and reduces strain on your feet and legs. The durable, waterproof surface makes it easy to clean, while the anti-slip backing keeps it securely in place. Whether you're prepping meals or washing dishes, this mat ensures long-lasting support. Give your kitchen floor an instant upgrade. Ninja pots and pans set. Tired of food sticking to your pans? This non-stick cookware set ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting durability. The scratch-resistant surface and extended lifespan make cooking stress-free. These pots and pans are oven-safe and easy to clean, making them perfect for any home chef. Say goodbye to scrubbing and make cleanup a breeze. Get yours now. Paris Hilton Air Fryer. Cook healthier meals with this 6-quart air fryer that delivers crispy results with little to no oil. Its stylish design and non-stick basket make it a perfect fit for any kitchen. With rapid heat circulation and multiple presets, it ensures perfect cooking every time. Enjoy fries, chicken, and veggies guilt-free while saving time and effort. Start air frying today. Glass honey dispenser. No more sticky messes. This glass honey dispenser pours smoothly and precisely without dripping. Its smart release mechanism ensures easy use for tea, toast, and desserts. The airtight lid keeps honey fresh, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. Keep your kitchen clean and make honey drizzling effortless. Grab yours now. Plate gripper. Handling hot plates just got safer. This plate gripper provides a firm, secure hold, preventing burns and spills. Whether lifting bowls from the microwave or heavy pots from the stove, it makes every kitchen task easier. Made from durable stainless steel, it offers a long-lasting solution for handling cookware safely. Stay safe and cook smarter. Mini rice cooker. Perfect rice every time with this compact rice cooker. It cooks up to 3 cups, keeping your rice fluffy and warm for hours. The one-touch operation simplifies meal prep, and the non-stick pot ensures effortless cleanup. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or travel. Upgrade your cooking game now. Frozen fruit maker. Turn frozen fruit into creamy, guilt-free ice cream in seconds. This non-dairy soft serve maker lets you enjoy healthy desserts without added sugar. Just add your favorite fruits and watch the magic happen. The easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free use, and the compact size makes it easy to store. Say hello to homemade treats today. Fresh Save containers. Keep food fresh up to 5 times longer with these vacuum-sealed glass containers. Designed for meal prep and food storage, they prevent waste and lock in flavor. The leak-proof lids make them perfect for travel and stacking in the fridge. Reduce food waste and keep your meals fresh for longer. Make the switch now. Kitchen gadgets. Set this space-saving 6-piece kitchen tool. Set includes everything from measuring cups to peelers. Designed for compact storage, it's perfect for small kitchens. The durable materials ensure long-lasting performance, while the stackable design keeps your drawers organized. Get everything you need for food prep in one convenient set. Get your set today. Coffee bar station. Organize your coffee essentials with this stylish 5-tier station. It holds mugs, pods, and accessories while saving counter space. The sturdy design ensures stability, and the adjustable shelves let you customize storage. Whether you love espresso, cappuccinos, or cold brew, this station makes your morning routine effortless. Upgrade your coffee game now. Teak Dish Rack. This collapsible 2-tier dish rack is made from durable teak wood, resisting mold and water damage. It dries dishes quickly while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The foldable design allows for easy storage, and the spacious racks hold a variety of dish sizes. Keep your kitchen organized today. Ice cream maker. Make homemade ice cream in minutes with this rechargeable compact ice cream maker. Just add ingredients, press a button, and enjoy fresh, delicious ice cream without the wait. It's perfect for small kitchens, and the quiet motor ensures a smooth experience. Experiment with flavors and make your own treats at home. Start making your own flavors today. Glass teapot. Brew tea the right way with this glass teapot featuring a removable infuser. It's heat resistant and perfect for loose leaf or blooming teas. The ergonomic handle and spill-proof spout ensure easy pouring, while the elegant design enhances any tea experience. Enjoy full-bodied flavors with a sleek, modern touch. Elevate your tea experience now. Ice cream maker. This personal ice cream maker lets you create single-serve treats in just minutes. Whether you love vanilla, chocolate, or sorbet, it's fast, easy, and fun to use. Its compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, and cleanup is a breeze. Get creative and make your favorite flavors at home. Make your favorite flavors now. Automatic trash can. A smart trash can with a motion sensor lid for touchless disposal. Its sleek design and odor control technology keep your kitchen clean and hygienic. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish maintains a polished look, while the soft close lid prevents noise. No more messy spills or smudges. Upgrade your waste management today. These kitchen gadgets are designed to make cooking, organizing, and cleaning effortless. Whether you're a home chef or just love convenience, these products will transform your space. Which gadget caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below for all the products featured.